Hello, welcome back to my channel Tutor Things. Today in this video we are going to see quiz related to Python. So this is a website called as W3 Schools, which is a very good website for starting with a web developer. So Python is one of the language which you can easily learn, which is very simple and easy, right? So this is a quiz related to Python where you can test the skills, how much you are familiar with Python basic things by using this W3 Schools website, where you can which is a web developer website where you can start learning the basic concepts to the advanced level. So this is a very cool website which is having tried editor where you can practice the things in the particular instant only while you are learning. This is an online website which can be accessible to everyone. So I'm taking the quiz of Python here, which is having 25 bits, right? Which is covering the basic concept of Python. So before getting started into this quiz, I want to mention one thing, that is, if you haven't subscribed to my channel till, please subscribe and click the bell icon. By selecting the bell icon, you have to select the option called as all, so that you will never miss any update from us. Our is one of the channel which is having different types of related videos like CSS, HTML, JavaScript, and jQuery, or Microsoft Azure tutorials, Java tutorials, and Linux and commands, and W3 schools content related to HTML, jQuery, JavaScript. We have done so many things. Just follow our videos, never miss any update from us. Just go through the playlist and check the videos. Maybe you will got to know what we are dealing with in a clear manner. So any video may help you to get the concept clearly. So that's all the thing. Let's get started into this today's video, that is related to the Python quiz. So it is having 25 bits. While going through the bits, I will explain the basic concept related to that particular bit. Each and every bit carries 1 mark. So if you answer correct, you will get 1 mark. At the end of the quiz, you will get a scorecard, like how many marks you will got out of 25. At the end of the thing, you will also get the correct answers list where you can cross check if there are any wrong you have answered. So let's start the quiz. Let's get started. So here is the first question. What is the correct syntax to output the hello world in a Python? So how you can print the hello world in Python means by using this print statement. There is no printf like in C. We have just print. So by using print, we should mention the string in that, so that you will get a output as hello world in that in Python. So this is the correct option. There is no p or method or echo method for that. So print is the method which is used to print the output on the console like that. So print hello world is the correct option here. And next, what is to insert the comments in the Python code. So we have seen how comments in other languages like C and all things. In the Python, we have this hash. So by using the hash, we can write the comment line. This is a comment. This is the correct answer for that. So what is not legal variable name, which is not a legal variable name. So you can give underscore. This is a legal one, and you can, so not these slashes or dashes are not used for that in Python, which is having only underscores and some letters like maybe lowercase or uppercase. So this is not a legal variable name. So this is the correct option here. And next bit, how do you create a variable with a numeric value 5? So numeric value 5, you can just create a variable like x is equal to 5 or x is equal to int of 5. So these two answers are correct. What their answer is, both the other answers are correct, as both the two answers are correct. So you can choose this option. So next, what's the correct file extension for Python files? If you have created a file related to Python, then you have to save the extension called .py. So .py is the extension for storing the Python files. So .py is the correct answer for this. So how do you create a variable with a floating point 2.5? Like as an integer numeric value, we have int of. So we can also have float of dot 2.8, and x is equal to 2.8. You can directly give. So both the answers are correct. Both the other answers are correct. So what is the correct syntax to the output type of variable or object in Python? So what is the type of variable or object? How you can display that as output means by using type method. So there is no type of that things. Print a type. We can give that variable. You can get the type of that variable or object in Python. Just a type is the method used for that purpose. Print type of x here is the correct answer. Next, what is the correct way to create a function in Python? For creating functions in Python, we have to use this keyword called as def. This is defining the function. Def is a method, and we have to give the function name. After that colon will be there. There is no create keyboard or function keyboard for the functions in Python. We have this definition, like we can say, and function name, and we have to give colon. So this is the correct syntax for creating a function in Python by using def keyword. Next, in Python, hello world is same. Hello is same as hello. Yes, single brace is hello, and double colon hello is same. So string is the correct. There is no character like that. Entire a collection of strings is called as a string, right? Collection of characters is string, right? So in Python, both are same as true. Next, it's the correct syntax to return the first character in a string. So this is a string. To return the first character, we have to use a zero. This will take array of characters, like there is no sub of like that, or third sub. There is no sub method. So hello, you can use the first character, like first array number, so that you will get the first character from that particular string. Next, which method you can be used to remove any white space from the beginning and at the end of the string. From the beginning or end of the string, any white spaces that can be removed by using this strip method, which is the one of the method in Python used to remove any white space from both the beginning and the end of the string. That is strip, that will strip the white spaces before ending. Which method can be used to return a string in the uppercase letters. So to return that in the uppercase letters, we have this upper method. There is no uppercase or upper case or two uppercase. Upper is the only method which you have to convert a string to the uppercase. Like upper is the correct answer for that. Next, which method is used to replace parts of a string? So to replace in such kind of thing, we have replace method. There is no repel or replace string or switch like that. For replacing part of a string, we have this replace method. So that's the correct option here. And next, which operator is used to multiply numbers? For multiplying numbers, we generally use in any programming language is star, right? So this star is used for multiplying the numbers. There is no this cross symbol. In Python, we have to use this star symbol, right? Star. Next, which operator can be used to compare values? For comparing values, we have to use is equal to, double is equal to we use. This is for assigning the things. For comparison, we use this double equal to, equals to equal to we say. Which of the following selects, which of these collections defines list? For list, we have this angular braces. So like, sorry, angular, not square braces. For list, we have the square braces like arrays. This is the collection of string where we have this normal brackets is for tuple, and for set we have this this one, what we say, flower brackets is for set, and this name and like key value page is for dictionary. For list is nothing but this square brackets is the list, defines the list. It's the correct option for that. Next, tuple, they are telling. For tuple, I have told you, right? This these brackets are used for that, closed brackets, like the tuple is used for this type of collection. Next, set I have told you, right? Set is for flower brackets. The collection of flower brackets is set as a set for that. And next, moreover, is dictionary. I told you, like key value plates we called as a dictionary, which is having a flower brackets only, but key value plates will be there. Then it is called as a dictionary collection. So this is the correct option for that. Next, what is the collection? Is ordered, changeable, and allows duplicate values. For which we are allowing duplicate values, that is by list. In the list, we can have this type of things. So list is the correct option, which can have ordered, changeable, or allows duplicate values is list one. Next, which is the collection doesn't allow duplicate values. The doesn't allows duplicate values, that is set. In the set, we can't we can't have duplicate values. There should be unique values in the set. Next, how do you start writing an if statement in Python? So in Python, we should have this colon type of thing. That is, if condition colon will be there, then that will be a total if condition that should be called as. There is no then or there's such without a column you can't tell that if condition is fulfilled like that. If x is greater than y, colon will be there. So this is the correct start of writing if statement in Python. So if x greater than y, colon. How do you start writing a loop? Similarly with the if, we have this while, like, so while x is greater than y, colon will be there. There is no without colon you can't write, or brackets we don't open. So this, there is no brackets such type of concept in C. Like if condition will be there, after brackets braces will be open. There is no braces, we should have this colon. like that in the Python. We know, right? So while condition is this the correct answer for that. Next, how do you start writing for loop? Similarly, for while we have for x in y, so this is used, there is no for each, or there is no like relational operators for we have to use in for x in y. So this is the correct starting loop, or for loop in Python, the correct syntax for that. Next, which statement is used to stop the loop? For stopping a loop, we should use this break statement in Python. For stopping a loop, sorry, break. So this is the use to stop a loop, break in Python. So we have completed 25 out of 25 bits. Let's see the results. So yeah, I got 25 out of 25 hours, 100% perfect. Time spent is 8 minutes 26 seconds. So Python is very easy, right? They are asking small bits only. So I think you have also cleared 25 out of 25. How much marks you got in this test? You can feel free to comment in the comment section. So that will boost up other persons also. So if you have got good result, then it is good to go with other type of quizzes. Or if you have got less score, you can just try again. Or if you want to check the answers, you can also check the answers, like what you have mistaken or what's wrong you have done for getting less score. Like you can see the correct answers here with the green color. I have answered all the things is correct, so all are green. If you have answered anything wrong, that will be scored in red color, and you will get the correct answer also displayed there, so that you can learn and you can try up the quiz once again. So that's all for this video. If you have any doubts regarding to Python, you can feel free to comment in the comment section. Definitely reply to your comments. Also, not only your doubts, but also you can give suggestions in your my comment section, so that I will take your suggestions and improve my standard of producing videos. Like if you want to upload me any topic related things, or if you want me to do videos on any concepts, you can feel free to comment in the comment section. Just give me the idea where I can give. Produce videos on, so like that. And also share these videos to your friends or colleagues or batchmates who you are learning along with, so this will help them also to learn the things from the basic concepts. This is one of the wonderful website W3 schools which you can learn from the starting to the advanced level. So share these videos to them. And also we have done so many tutorials on the other concepts like CSS, HTML, Java query, big data, iterative tips, and web developer concepts like Visual Studio tips and those things, Java, Microsoft Azure, AZ900 course we have started. There are so many videos in our channel. Just go through the playlist and explore the things, so that that will may help you to get the concept in a correct way. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you have any doubts regarding to anything, you can feel free to comment in the comment section. Share these videos. Keep sharing and keep learning and keep smiling. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.